Trump's market miracle, Fed stays put, tariffs take a hike, downwards. Booyah, the market is on fire. We saw the best week for stocks since January. Why? 2 words, Trump and tariffs. The president reassured everyone that Fed Chair Powell is staying put. That's huge. Even bigger news, those massive tariffs on Chinese goods. Yeah, they might be getting scaled back. The market loves certainty, and Trump just gave it a big dose. The S&P 500 soared 4.5%. The Nasdaq rocketed up 6.6%. That's gigantic. And even the Dow joined the party with a 2.5% jump. This is what happens when the government stops acting like a bunch of bozos. But hold your horses, because it's not all sunshine and rainbows. We've got a debt ceiling showdown looming. The clock is ticking, and if those clowns in Washington don't get their act together, we could be in for a world of hurt. Remember, the debt ceiling fight back in 2011? That was ugly. We don't need a repeat performance. Keep your eyes glued to the headlines, because this could get bumpy. Tech was on fire this week, and I'm not talking about some small-time startups. This was the big leagues, folks. Apple, Amazon, Microsoft, they knocked it out of the park. Apple's services revenue blew past expectations, $25.5 billion. That's a 3% jump. Amazon? Prime membership just keeps growing, over 28 million new subscribers in Q1. And Microsoft? Cloud bookings hit a record $28 billion. These companies are unstoppable. But wait, there's more. We've got Meta and Microsoft reporting earnings this week. The street's gonna be watching like hawks to see how much those tariffs are really biting, and if the AI wars are heating up. This is the kind of action that gets me fired up in the morning. Tesla. Elon Musk is back, baby. The stock shot up 18%, even though revenue dipped and they missed on earnings. Why? Because when Elon sets his mind to something, he makes it happen. Remember Cybertruck? Yeah, that's happening. But not everything was rosy this week. T-Mobile took a hit, dropping 11% on weak subscriber growth. Ouch! And hold on tight, because earnings season is far from over. We've got Chevron and Eli Lilly reporting soon. Those are bellwethers, folks. If they stumble, it could spell trouble for their entire sectors. Keep your eyes peeled. The economy is like a roller coaster, ups, downs, and twists and turns that'll make your head spin. We got some good news on durable goods orders. They surged a whopping 9.2%. That blew past expectations. But hold the applause, because the services sector is looking a little shaky. The S&P Global Composite PMI fell to 51.2, the weakest since December 2023. And then there's the jobs report coming out on Friday. Will we see strong job growth, or will it be a dud? And what about the GDP report? The experts are predicting a measly 0.1% growth for Q1. That's anemic. The Fed's meeting is next week, and the big question is, will they cut rates in June? The futures market is saying there's an 80% chance. Buckle up, folks, because it's going to be a wild ride.